Hello, kids. How are you today? Are you good? Now that we saw the video about the life cycle of the bird, let's get our Mouse and Me book and open at page 21. That's one here. Here we have all the scenes we saw on the video. We have to put it in order, okay? The first one, it's already here. Look, Daddy Bird, it's making a nest. What's next? Mommy Bird lays some eggs. It's this one here. So let's put the number 2 right here on this box. This way here. What is next? The eggs, very good. So let's put the number 3 right here on the box. This way. What's next? Here, very good. The baby birds. So let's put the number 4 right here on the box this way. What's next? The mommy birds is feeding the baby birds. Look. So let's put the number 5 right here this way. And what's the last one? This one here. The birds. They are big now and it's time to fly away. So let's put the number 6 right here on the box. This way. Now let's use a coloring pencil to color the nest and the eggs. Okay, then use a pencil to trace the daddy bird and the baby bird. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you enjoy our class. Bye bye, guys, and see you.